Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I hope you're well. Oh, thank you so much for all of you who are part of the Eagles community. Continue sending in your questions, anything regarding personal development. Continue visiting mothereagle.net, and we'll continue supporting each other. Well, today I was just thinking about self-reliance, and I was like, self-reliance is actually a gift you can give to yourself, because what happens is we get into an attitude of codependency, and we don't implement or do anything unless someone else tells us to, unless someone else tells us it's okay. So, I wanted us to be aware that self-reliance is a gift to self, meaning you can go within and find answers to proceed. Sometimes we are dependent on not only things that are outside. If you're in leadership, you hide under the title. If you don't get thumbs up, you don't function as well. Hi, Caesar. Yeah, thanks for joining. So today, I guess the thing is, be aware that self-reliance is necessary. It doesn't mean you're an island per se. It just means you can function without the dependency of other people. You can provide for yourself. You've learned how to earn for yourself. You've learned how to give yourself self-love. You don't need love to come from outside to actually get it. Hi, Steve. Welcome. So I encourage you to start being aware. Are you overly dependent on others? Are you hiding behind a title not to find the inner strength, the inner you, the one who can make things happen? Because once you become aware that either you're hiding behind a title or you're codependent on others, you need other people's approval to get things done, then from there you start taking steps of intentionally not looking for thumbs up before you implement anything. You can implement things behind closed doors without any fanfare, because most of the work you have to do to get to your greatness will be something you do behind closed doors. No one will be cheering for you. The journey may be lonely. Welcome, everybody. Sandy, I see you. Rogers, welcome. Yeah, so the journey may be a long, lonely journey that you have to take by yourself. So you have to be self-reliant. You have to know how to encourage yourself, give yourself peace, self-love. Be okay if there is no fanfare. Have integrity with yourself. If you choose to do something and you know it in your heart that you're ready to do something, well, you go ahead and do it without waiting for answers from anybody else. You see? So self-reliance is a gift that you can give yourself. I guess that the action point for today is monitor yourself. Are you dependent or codependent on others to get things done, to earn, to move from one point to another? If yes, then start taking steps to be more self-reliant in the way you do things, in the way you implement. Well, as always, this is Mother Eagle. I love you guys. Thank you for joining. Bye. Have a wonderful day.